In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious cantaloupe and orange juice. Welcome to Tasting Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1½ cup of cantaloupe, 1 cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, and ½ cup of ice. In our blender, we're going to add in the orange juice, cantaloupe, and the honey and blend until smooth. Once smooth, we're going to add in our ice and blend until it's completely crushed. Pour our juice out into a cup. Our cantaloupe and orange juice is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.